Hello friends, today we will talk about vivo V30 Pro, which is a completely different brand. Let's explore its features. The vivo V30 Pro boasts a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 1 billion colors, HDR10+, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. With a peak brightness of 2800 nits, it offers an immersive viewing experience. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset and an octa-core CPU, the vivo V30 Pro ensures smooth performance. It comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. The triple main camera setup includes a 50MP wide lens, capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The 50MP selfie camera also delivers high-quality images and videos. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, the vivo V30 Pro supports 80W wired charging. Connectivity and sensors: Wi-Fi, 802.11 dual band, Wi-Fi direct USB, USB Type-C, 2.0 with OTG support, fingerprint, under-display, optical. It features dual band Wi-Fi, USB Type-C with OTG support, and an under-display fingerprint sensor. If you enjoyed this review, please share it and subscribe for more content. The vivo V30 Pro is truly a remarkable device. If you like our video, then please share it with everyone. And please subscribe also.